Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this trending 3D real video editing on mobile. So in here, what you need to do is prepare the clips that you want to edit. And here you can start, click on the second video and then find the freeze option. So make sure that the playhead is at the beginning of the second video and then tap on freeze, and here is the freeze frame. You need to move it to the overlay, so click on the overlay button and adjust the durations to around 0.7 seconds. Put it at the end of the first clip, and now click on it and remove a background. So remove the background. I'm going to just use the auto removal. Okay, so add a keyframe at the end of the freeze frame in here, and then move here. Okay, you can just move it to anywhere direction that you want. I'm going to go with to the bottom, and let's see. Okay, so it will go like this, and you can just do the same with the rest of the clip. So here I'm going to select the last clip and go to the freeze option, make it as overlay, trim it to 0.7 and drag it to the second clip, the end of the second clip, add keyframe at the end and also here. Then I'm going to drag it to the top. Sorry, let's remove the background first. Okay, I've already removed the background. Let's move it up like this. You can see the result in here. Okay, so this will be the final preview of the 3D real video editing. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!